pork and hatch green chili tomatillo enchiladas. Y'all ready? Let's go. To make our hatch chili tomatillo verde salsa, we're going to be taking cilantro, white onion, roasted hatch green chili, tomatillos, garlic, jalapeno, salt and pepper. Give this a nice blend, done nice and well. Now into our pork filling, we're going to be taking our wonderful extra virgin olive oil, then adding in 2 pounds of chopped pork, adding in salt and pepper to taste, just like so. Saute this till it's nice and golden brown. Once ready, we're going to be adding in our onions chopped, roasted hatch green chilies, just like so. Now we're going to be rolling our enchiladas. We're going to be placing our verde sauce right down below, just like so. Heat corn tortillas right up. Placing our wonderful pork mixture, adding in a little bit of cheese, and roll this right in. Add verde sauce on top and finish with some more cheese, just like so. Going to be baking this at 425 for a total of 15 minutes or until cheese has been melted. We're going to be garnishing this with cilantro. And there we have it. Serving this with Bodega's Henry Luton Sauvignon Blanc. Notes of grapefruit, jasmine, and a hint of minerality gives the next layer of aromatic richness, great freshness and balance in the palate with a clean, long finish. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and I hope you have a good day now you're here. Bye-bye!